Hi. Today I'm going to show you how to factor any quadratic expression. Factoring can be a nightmare to some people because they feel like they're just doing trial and error, stabbing in the dark without any direction. Don't worry. I have a way that doesn't involve any guessing and will work for any quadratic expression. Let's start with a simple example. Say you have a quadratic expression like x squared plus 4x minus 12, and you need to factor it. What you need to find are two numbers that multiply to give you this last number, negative 12, and which add to give you the second number, positive 4. So again, you need to find two numbers which multiply to negative 12 and which also add to positive 4. So first, let's list all pairs of numbers that multiply to negative 12. We could have 1 and minus 12, minus 1 and 12, 2 and minus 6, minus 2 and 6, 3 and minus 4, and minus 3 and 4. Now, let's check which pair adds to positive 4. 1 plus minus 12 equals minus 11 cross mark minus 1 plus 12 is equal to 11 cross mark 2 plus minus 6 equals minus 4 cross mark minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. We found our numbers. We can stop checking. Now, we can write our factored expression. We write two sets of parentheses, each starting with x, and add our numbers minus 2 and 6. This simplifies to x2, x plus 6. Now, let's look at a tougher example using the magic x method. Say we have 3x superscript 2 plus 10x, 8. For the magic x method, first draw an x. At the top, multiply the first coefficient 3 by the last term minus 8, giving us minus 24. At the bottom, write the middle coefficient 10. Now find two numbers that multiply to minus 24 and add to 10. 12 and minus 2 work because 12 times minus 2 is minus 24, and 12 plus minus 2 is 10. Next, divide each number by the leading coefficient, 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and minus 2 divided by 3 is minus 2/3. Finally, write your factors. The first factor is x plus 4, and the second factor is 3x minus 2. Therefore, 3x superscript 2 plus 10x. 8 factors to x plus 4. 3x, 2. And that's how to factor any quadratic expression using the magic x method. This method will work for any quadratic, no guessing required.